Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know I certainly did. I love what I do. I'd like to take this time to share with you a few things that's going on here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards. The first thing is our eBay store. I've been doing outboard motor parts for over 10 years, more than that on eBay. I have over 2,000 parts in there. The link to that store is down in the description. Best way you can find it is to Google T. Mike's Vintage Outboards eBay store. It'll bring you right to my store. Second thing I'd like to share with you is my mail-in repair service. So you can ship me your carburetor, magneto, or gear case. I can test and repair it and ship it back to you. I have several customers that have done that. The third thing I'd like to share with you is I have a listing on eBay for technical consulting. All right, $40 an hour. You just buy one and you get free consulting for an hour. I don't mind you calling me for help. Here's my number, 337-278-5429. Feel free to call me. I always answer my phone. I'll give you free advice for 10 or 15 minutes. If it's going to take longer than that, probably just need to buy one or two of these items on eBay. All right. And the last thing I'd like to talk to you about is my restore services. So here's a link to it down in the description. You can ship me your motor. I can do a full restore or a light restore. I have all the prices and everything on the link down below. So those are the things going on at T. Mike's World. Just remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.